Describe briefly about branding elements, ultimate branding support services for you to speed up your online course journey. Branding elements are the visual and conceptual components that define and distinguish your brand identity. These elements help create a cohesive and memorable brand experience for your audience. Here's a brief overview of branding elements and ultimate branding support services to speed up your online course journey. Logo. Your logo is a visual representation of your brand and serves as a key branding element. It should be simple, memorable, and reflective of your brand personality. Ultimate branding support services can include logo design services that help you create a professional and visually appealing logo tailored to your brand identity. Color palette. A consistent color palette helps reinforce brand recognition and creates a unified visual identity across all your brand assets. Branding support services may include color palette creation or consulting to help you select colors that resonate with your target audience and convey the right brand message. Typography. Typography plays a crucial role in conveying your brand's tone and personality. Choose fonts that are easy to read and align with your brand identity. Branding support services may offer font selection and customization to ensure consistency in typography across all your brand materials. Visual assets. Visual assets such as graphics, illustrations, and photography contribute to your brand's visual identity and help create a cohesive brand experience. Ultimate branding support services may include custom visual asset creation or access to libraries of high-quality stock images and graphics tailored to your brand. Brand guidelines. Brand guidelines outline the rules and standards for using your brand elements consistently across all channels and materials. Branding support services may provide brand guideline development to ensure that your brand is represented consistently and effectively. Branded content templates. Branded content templates for presentations, social media posts, and other materials help maintain consistency in your brand's visual identity. Ultimate branding support services may include customizable templates that align with your brand guidelines and streamline content creation for your online course. Brand messaging. Your brand messaging encompasses the language, tone, and voice used to communicate your brand's values, mission, and offerings. Branding support services may include brand messaging development or copywriting services to help you craft compelling and consistent brand messaging for your online course materials. Brand consultation. Brand consultation services provide expert guidance and advice on developing and refining your brand identity, strategy, and messaging. Ultimate branding support services may offer one-on-one consultations with branding experts who can provide personalized insights and recommendations to enhance your brand's impact and effectiveness. By leveraging branding elements and ultimate branding support services, you can accelerate your online course journey by creating a strong and cohesive brand identity that resonates with your audience, builds trust and credibility, and sets you apart in the competitive online education market.